Well, hey there, folks. I'm meteorologist Matt Parentine. This thing's got a name. Got one at 4 a.m. here this morning. Became Claudette. Right as it made landfall, the Hurricane Center decided it needed a name, so now it is Claudette. Winds of 45 miles per hour. The winds aren't a big deal, though. It's all about the rain with this system, and we've been dealing with it here overnight last night and coming into here this morning. Very, very heavy rain, and we're going to continue to deal with heavy rain because it's a slow mover. It is moving to north-northeast around 12 miles per hour, but that's not that fast. I mean, you put your car and go 12 miles an hour down the road, see how long it takes you to get somewhere, right? So it's going to take a while here. I mean, this is 1 o'clock this afternoon around Macomb, Mississippi. 1 a.m. in the morning, it'll be just to the north of us. So we've got some time to deal with this. Now, all the rain is on the east side of the system, which is exactly what we expected. If you're watching now, you may have been woken up here just a little while ago, your phone making that awful noise, and that's because there was a flash flood warning posted for Mobile County. We've already had flash flood warnings for much of Mississippi. Now that is moving to Mobile County for the heavy rain. And you can see it here. It's a big sloppy system. Remember, the center of circulation is actually over here in Louisiana, but all the rain is on the east side of this lopsided system, which is what we expected. And it's very typical of these early season storms. And the only real threats from these storms generally are going to be the heavy rain. Now, there is a small tornado threat in here as well. Anytime you have a landfalling tropical system, even a weak one like this one, it causes a lot of turbulence in the atmosphere, and you can get those quick spin-up tornadoes. We've already seen that around 3 a.m. We had one down near Dauphin Island, the Causeway area there. We have had some reports of some damage in that area, which we're going to go check out. But the main thing is going to be the rain. You can see very heavy rain. You can see, well, it looks like just a thin line. Not a big deal, right? Well, yeah, if the thin line was going like this and just sweeping on through, it wouldn't be a big deal. The problem is it's not doing that. It's setting itself up and it just keeps rolling through. It's like a train on tracks going over the same spots over and over and over again. And that's when you start to leads to the big rainfall amounts and the very heavy rain. You can see it here, this bright red color. That's some very, very heavy stuff. The good news is once it ends, there are some breaks. But it's going to take a few hours to get through all this, so it's not just going to happen like that. So we're going to be dealing with heavy rain for a while across our area until you can finally move out of it.